Answer the question posed in the video in the comments for a chance to win a mystery box. Alright, next up, if you watched the Goodwill haul, I bought this thing. It was $2.49 at Goodwill, $5 in the little Target stuff up front, like the little bullseye bin or whatever. And I know I want to paint it. I know I want this to look like a crystal ball. And I'm not sure what I want to do from there. But I'm going to do the hand in green. This one is Folk Art Citrus Green. And then I think I want to do the fingernails in this one. This one is Deco Art Lavender. There's those. And I grabbed the skull because I have this in my little craft bin for Halloween, so it could also hold the skull. I don't know if I'm going to like that. Or this little flower that's from Dollar Tree. Thought maybe that might be cool in there. Then I got this little teeny tiny skull because that would also fit in there. And I grabbed a little boa because I was thinking, I don't know, maybe she'll have like that on her hand. You know, should be like a little bougie witch. So I'm going to get this open and take the top off. I think this may be glass, like real glass. Interesting. Yep, I think that's real glass. And this is ceramic. It probably would do okay with this paint straight onto it, but I don't trust that. So I just want to put a base down. So for the base, I'm going to use my Magnolia Home Paint. This is Panna Cotta Eggshell. This is a really bright white. This is like to me, ultra bright white. If you were to buy like a, let's say like a Home Depot or Lowe's. The reason I want to use this, it has Kills as the base. Yes, this paint is expensive for a quart, but because I use it for small crafting projects, this quart lasts a really long time for me because it has good adhesion. To me, it's worth the investment. I have painted so far a couple chairs, a couple outdoor candelabras, table, all that, and I'm only used like an inch down into the paint. So I'm just gonna do this with a foam brush. I'm using a small foam brush since it's got area between these fingernails. Loving it. Look at that green, it's popping. Alright, so we got 2 coats. Still a little bit wet, but not too bad. Actually, it's kind of clumpy. Fix that right there. And so now I'm going to paint the little fingernails, and you can kind of see the outline of them. What might also be cute is little fake nails. I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to figure out what to do. I am going to put this on there. Fuzzy fuzzy. But we can either do this, and I think maybe with the smoked glass, with that in there, that's an option. The skull outside would either be like sitting like this, or maybe even like that. But it kind of takes away the dome, and I like the dome. So don't think that's going to be for this project, but it could be for yours if you like that look. And then the last option would be the little flower. Get these little fuzzies off of here, and I would just like put it like that, and it's actually a really good size. And of course I just have to take the bottom off. I think I'm actually leaning towards the flower too, because it has the eyeball. So I think that's going to be our winner. I'm just going to pop this out of here and put that in as soon as this dries off. And then, let's see, oh, sorry, it's pretty dry on the bottom. I think I can just slide this over. I have to make it a little bit bigger. Oh no, looks like it might work. Super cute! Oh my gosh, I could just see her in her little matching kitten heels. Kitten heels. Kitten heels. Too cute. Alright, and that's going to be like that. And that's going to be in there. And of course now the whole thing's wanting to fall apart because that's what holds it together, is that little black piece. That's why it's there. How are we liking? I'm going to have to glue this down the way I want it to stay.